I know what has given me the opportunity to start school. I'm starting to flu to hide. Meaning spirit, meaning energy. Nani is well good in the Babukuno. Asawa ANC, I think it's a honey. Dr. Tant, I'm sure I am born and I'm going to talk Nancy. Nena Chairperson Communications Subcommittee we have command. Deputize and up on army. So Mafia was always do the communications. Again, we are in boss. High command. So yeah, my phone and I thinking. But some name details.
I think guys, we're going to engage with you a bit more formally in some sort of structure. But one of the things we're going to do is have a communications forum. A communications forum that will integrate all the communicators in MK. We're going to meet weekly until the event happens. So that number one, we have structured messaging. We're all saying the same things, and we're hitting at the points where we need to hit. I think it's long overdue that we have the structure where at least it's clear what the messaging for the... a lot of you were not part of the planning committee, but there's a strategic plan for rolling out comms until the 15th of December. And I think you guys on TikTok are going to be very critical in executing that strategic plan. So you will get invites, but we're going to host weekly meetings. And when it comes closer to the events, it might even be daily. They don't need to be long. It's just for guidance on what it is we need to do. Because right now, our communications, but MK is like that. Some people just do different things. It's organic, it comes from the ground. It doesn't mean a structured approach needs to reduce that organic nature of it. But it does mean when the organization wants to communicate certain messages in a particular way, that we can work through you guys to communicate those messages in a very straightforward and disciplined way. But overall, just thank you very much for the incredible work you've been doing. And thank you very much for carrying the MK name, all right? We owe a lot of our success to you. Thank you very much. But hopefully going forward, even after the December event, we'll work more in a coordinated and a structured way. And you guys will have space in the communication space. But one of the things, like I'm saying, that's core for me, is just to bring all the communicators together so that there is sharing of ideas, there is, communication between all of us. Overall, guys, thank you very much.
Salute. Thank you.
Uzobumela umbuzo wethenyu navotela obani namba abantu bazobegcwele
Inkonzo yokufika apha le stadium sizosizwa
akambona ismile phela I've never seen a
Hardcore.